Hi, welcome to our kitchen renovation part 3. This is our kitchen right now. As we update our racks, we also want to change our fridge. This fridge is from Lika Doll collection. This is my first fridge and I love this because it has 2 doors. Looks elegant and kawaii at the same time. I'll first show you what's in our fridge. Please enjoy. We would need to fill the new fridge like what we did on this one. More foodies. We will keep this one and use this. This is our new fridge. This is a bigger scale, helping to fit the Barbie size. A lot of color selection, but we chose the white one. By the way, this is from the brand Orcara. Okay, let's go and open. Comes with battery already. Look at the light. Looks very realistic. So happy. Let's place it in between the condiments and dish rack. The kitchen counter is starting to clutter already, lol. Let's decorate a bit and put some groceries inside the fridge. That's it. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone. Bye.